Hello guys, Nepal Times here, welcome to a new video, and today we have another unboxing, and today we're unboxing this, which is the leather folio for the iPhone XS. Okay, so this case is pretty old actually. Was released alongside the iPhone XS, so it's gonna be like 4 years ago now, or 3 years, anyway, too long. But yeah, it was kind of the precursor of MagSafe. So yeah, MagSafe wasn't a thing, and Apple released this case as a way to have kind of a wallet with your phone, so you can see here, hopefully. And yeah, so you could have some cards on the side and then keep your phone protected with a slab. And yeah, it's for the iPhone XS, which I happen to have here. So we're gonna test it out and see. So first, to unbox it, we of course do like this. It's kind of like the iPad cases, so it's not actually closed or sealed, it's just somehow stuck in there, and then you just pull firmly and take it out. And then here is the case itself. Other than that, literally nothing else, just instructions on how to put the phone in, but that's it. Then for the case, as you can see, so it has a cover and it opens and closes as a cover should do. And then on the side we have space for some cards and maybe receipts or something. Take this off. We also have this here showing you that you can put the card in. Not gonna lie, this is kind of hard to take out. Okay, it even has the cutout of the phone. It says, of course, it contains magnets, and to store magnetic stripe cards only in the pockets. So I guess only here, which I guess is like approved for cards and stuff. So we put the phone in, and according to the instructions you have to put it in from up to down, and that's it. And yeah, it's not a perfect fit, as you can see it wobbles a bit. It's not like with magnets held in place or anything. Oops. But yeah, it's kind of weird, it's not great. It also has like this gap down here. Yeah, it's not great, not gonna lie. But then here we can put some cards, which I don't happen to have any in here, but actually let me go take one. Okay, so I have here this is not a card, but it's a thing from the tripod that this camera is recording from, and yeah, it kind of has the size of a card, so it's gonna do. And we can of course put it in here. There we go, and you have it. And then here you can put some receipts maybe, which I don't happen to have either, but yeah, we'll use this as a receipt, and there you go. So yeah, it's a good way of having, I think you might be able to fit one, maybe two cards here, not a whole lot. I think the current MagSafe wallet is a much better option. But again, everything has a beginning, and this was a good start. And of course it protected your screen if that's something you wanted. Though I find this case is annoying because like you have to open it to use it. Then here it's not as convenient because it has this big hole in here. And if you want to take a photo, you cannot have it here because it's covering your camera, so you have to have it like this. And you look like a old lady or something. Doesn't look good. It's almost there with taking a photo with the big iPad like out in the wild. But yeah, I think this is gonna be it for the video. Well, I haven't told you. This wasn't cheap back in the day. This was like over $100, I think. And as we saw, and I just showed you, it doesn't look great. Well, it has the Apple logo on the back. At least that's something. It also has very good coverage for the buttons, which again, these, well, you can kind of press them when it's like this. But yeah, definitely not the mute switch. That one you have to open it. And yeah, and this one as well. The back is easily accessible. Doesn't have the cutouts for the different things. It's just there. Camera does line up very well, I would say. Yeah, but still, I wouldn't pay $100 for this. I got it like at a super big discount. I think like €20. That price is okay if you like this type of case, but I wouldn't have paid the whole $100 for this. But again, everything has to start somewhere, and yeah, I'm glad we started with this and now we have the MagSafe wallet, which is so convenient. But yeah, this is gonna be everything for today's video. If you have any questions about this case or this type of cases, please let me know down below in the comments and I will do my best to answer. And also, don't forget to subscribe if you are an Apple fan and watch Apple-related videos, because that's exactly what I post. Also, please thumbs up if you like this video and want me to do more, because that really helps for the algorithm. And yeah, thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.